Hello friends, welcome back to Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Today we are going to do an interesting insect, that is a jumping frog. It's really nice to do and really kids will enjoy doing this. Shall we see how to do this? For this we need a square shaped green color paper. Because frog is in green color. Maybe if you like, you can do any other color paper also, any other color frog also. First take this square paper and fold it into half. Crease it. Now turn it this side, that is the opening should be on your left. Now fold it this way, that is this top corner to the middle. And crease it. Again open this, take the other corner and fold it again to the middle. So after opening we will get a X shape like this. And now what we are going to do this, we are going to turn this upside down and crease this line, fold it to the half. Now again flip it back. Now we are going to fold this way. I will show you once again. So there is an X we have creased and this middle line. Fold this in this way so that you will get a triangle. Now take one end, flip it this way. Make sure you crease fully so that the lines are perfectly fixed. Now this is done. This end, bring it to the middle and crease it. Now this end, bring it to this middle. So we are going to fold it this way. If the paper is quite thick, it's quite difficult to fold. Now you have to again fold it back into half. Now open it. Take this end and this end. Now open it and fold this way. You form it like a boat. Now again now fold it this way, and final step is after folding this way, you have to fold it all the way down. The final step is give a one more fold. So our frog is ready. Now you can draw eyes. Wow, so this looks beautiful, right? So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on all videos. Thank you.